Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Deepanjan Kumar De. Today I'll discuss blocking. Blocking is very important in biostatistics, design and experiment. It is in research methodology. The topic is blocking. Okay, the topic is blocking. After this video, you will understand what is blocking, why blocking, examples of blocking, and how to arrange the treatment combination into different blocks, into two blocks mainly, block 1 and block 2. So these are the outcomes of this lecture. So what is blocking? Let's start. What is blocking? The process of separating the experimental unit into groups is known as blocking. The process of separating the experimental units into groups is known as blocking. The process of separating the experimental unit into groups is known as blocking. That is the process of separating the treatment combination. You know what is treatment combination? If there are two factors, each factor having two labels, then treatment combination is 2 by 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 treatment combination. This 4 treatment combination actually if a factor having two, this is level 0, this is level 1. B is another factor, two factors, this is level B0, this is B1, this is B1. So these two are the two factors, that is 2 factors, 2 by 2 square factorial design, 2 into 2, that is, this is known as 4 treatment combination, that is A0 B0, A0 B0, A1 B0, A0 B1, A0 B1 and A1 B1. That means 1 A B A B. These are the treatment combination for 2 square factorial design. So we have to arrange these 4 treatment combination into blocks, that is known as blocking. Suppose blocking is very important in factorial design, in design of experiment, very important, because let's see the example, then you will understand clearly. Suppose you have 100 antipyretic tablets, 100 analgesic tablet and 100 antibiotic tablet are mixed. Then you have to make these 300 tablets into 3 category, that is known as block. 300 tablets are there, 100 antipyretic, 100 analgesic and 100 are antibiotic. These 300, that means you have to arrange this into block, this 100 analgesic tablet, antibiotic tablet and another is antipyretic tablet. You have these three groups, these 3 tablets into 3 groups, that is 100. This is the block. You have to arrange these 300 tablets into 3 blocks, that is each are separated. Another example I am giving, real life example. Suppose in the medical shop, if there is a block, suppose in the medical shop, if we ask some medicine, like suppose medicine, suppose like aphencidil, that is the cough syrup you are asking. So the shopkeeper will go where is the, he knows actually, he knows the medicine where it is. That is, there is a block for, there is a block for cough syrup, there is a block for antibiotic, there is a block for antipyretic, there is a block for antibiotic, there is a block for antipyretic, like this. That means the shopkeeper will not spend much time for searching the medicine, that is, which you are asking. That is, suppose I need Fencidil, I need Corex, then he will go for cough syrup block, then he will find it quickly. That is, without wasting of time, he can find the medicine. Same thing in suppose in that is bookshop. There are so many blocks are there. So science book, commerce book, arts books are there, and there are some sub blocks also. That means mathematics book is in this block, physics books in this block, chemistry book in this block. When a customer want to suppose physics book, so the shopkeeper can find the physics book immediately, because he knows where is the physics book in which block. Okay, so block is very important in real life as well as experimental design. Okay, so now question will come like, why blocking? Why blocking? So it is very useful and important design technique. You can find the variability when data are separated into blocks. That means you can find the variability. So from the block you can find the variability. You can find the you can find the homogeneity of the data, from the block. And it is another important that it is noise reduction technique. These are the three important points that why blocking, that is why we use blocking. Okay, so now I want to find the block when the treatment combinations are given. So when the treatment combinations are given, like suppose blocking, generally in your course blocking, there are three methods. You can separate the treatment combination into blocks. Like one is sign table method. Using sign table we can find the treatment combination into different blocks. Another is linear combination method. You can separate the treatment combination into blocks. And another one is by confounding you can find the blocks. So in this lecture you will understand only in sign table. Using sign table, how to assign the treatment combination into blocks. Like suppose I am giving in 2 square factorial design, in 2 square factorial design, you know, these two means there are two factors, these two means level. So two factors each having two levels, lower level and higher level. Suppose factor A and factor B. This is factor A having two levels. Suppose I am like minus 1 and plus 1, minus plus. This is minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. So that means factor A having minus level, that is lower level. This is higher level. Factor B having two level, minus 1 and plus 1. So if this again can be written as A0 A1. This is again can be written as B0 B1. These two are the levels of these two factors, because 2 square factorial design. Be careful, 2 square factorial design. Okay. So now, how many treatment combination? because they are two factors each having two labels. That is, this is two level, factor A having two level, factor B having two level. So you have to multiply these two level, then two levels you have to multiply. That means 2 into 2, there are 4 treatment combination, TC. TC means treatment combination, like A0, 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 B0. This can be written as 1, A1, B0. This can be written as A0, B1. This can be written as B, and A1, B1. This can be written as AB. A1, B1 means both at higher level. A0 means factor A having lower level and factor B having higher level. A1, B0 means factor A having higher level, B having lower level, and A0, B0 both are at lower level. These are the 4 treatment combination, 1, A, B and AB. So we have to assign these 4 treatment combination into blocks. So let's see how we are assigning these 4 treatment combination are into blocks by using sign table. So I am writing first TC, treatment combination, that is 1, A, B, then AB. These are the treatment combination. Then you can write I, identity, that is all are positive. I am taking here. Then 1, that is factor A, factor B, 2 factors are there. Then AB, okay, AB. Now follow me. 1 means both at lower level. So I am writing here minus, here minus. You can write -1 also. So I am writing simply minus. No problem. As you like, no problem. It doesn't matter. Both are at lower level. A means what is A? A means factor A having higher level, that is plus, and factor B at lower level, that is minus. B means factor A having lower level, A having higher level. AB means both at higher level, that is both are plus. Now AB means minus into minus, this is plus, plus into minus, that is minus, minus into plus, that is minus, plus into plus, that is plus. So then I am assigning this into block, okay. So into block, okay. Now what I am doing here, I am assigning all positive into block 1. This is also block 2, because it is negative. Positive I am assigning into block 1 and all negative into block 2. This is block 1. So there are 2 blocks. You can write down now. These 2 blocks I am assigning. Block 1. Block 1, which element? That means A, treatment combination A and AB. A and AB are in block 1, and block 2, which element? Block 2, that means A and B. A and B are in block 1, block 2. This is block 2. Block 1 is 1 and AB. By this you can assign the treatment combination. These are the treatment combination into 2 blocks, block 1 and block 2. Right. So now one thing you may arrange this. Suppose you can ask me, sir, why you are taking all plus are in block 1? Why not it is in block 2? So you can assign also. That means all plus in block 2 and all minus in block 1. You can do. But one thing is, you have to maintain this thing what I am telling now. That is, when there is 1, so keep 1 into block 1. Why? Because always you have to keep 1 into block 1. That is known as principal block. if suppose if one is in here, so that means this is known as principal block. This is known as principal. The treatment combination which the treatment combination 1 which contain in a block, that is known as, this is known as, we can say, principal block. Principal block. Principal block. What is principal block? What is principal block? That means the treatment combination contain the treatment combination 1 contain in which block, that block is known as principal block. I think you understood very nicely. This is 2 square factorial design. Now one thing I must say, suppose I am arranging this 1 A, B, A, B, A, B. A I have taken minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, plus. Now you may ask, sir, why you are doing this? Suppose if I take A equal to both plus, both minus, here minus, plus, minus, plus, then you can interchange, or you can interchange A sign is here, sorry, B sign is in A, that is minus, minus, plus, plus, you can write here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, you can write here, then the result will be same. It will not change. Okay, it will not change. Okay, so now I am just again I am assigning 2q factorial design. In 2q factorial design, there are 3 factors, each factor having 2 levels. Here another factor, that is C, factor C, having 2 levels, -1, or you can say as A0, A1, B0, B1, that is C0. This you can write C1. Okay. So now, so there are in 2q factorial design, there are 3 factors, each at level 2. So how many treatment combinations are there? There are how many levels? 3 factors. This level, factor A level 2, 2 levels. Here factor B 2 levels. Factor C 2 levels. All having 2 levels. So what is, how many therefore treatment combination? Total treatment combination. Total treatment combination equal to 2 into 2 into 2. You have to multiply all treatment combination. Okay, then you will get all 3 levels. You have to multiply all 3 levels. That is 2 into 2 into 2. That comes 8 treatment combination. 8 TC. Total treatment combination is 8. What are they? 1, then A, then B, 1, A, then B, then AB. Okay. Then comes C, then C into A, that is AC, then BC, then ABC. When ABC, that means all are at, tell me, all are at higher level. When A, that means you will understand A, factor A as having higher level, B and C are at lower level. When it comes AB, then you will see, you will understand A at higher level, B at higher level, factor A at higher level, factor B at higher level, and factor C at lower level. When only C, that means you have to understand that A at lower level, B at lower level, and C at higher level. When AC, that means A at higher level, C at higher level, B at lower level. When BC, B at higher level, C at higher level, and A at lower level. ABC means all 3 factors having higher level. So now we have to arrange this 8 treatment combination. We have to arrange this 8 treatment combination into two blocks. Into two blocks. So how? Just follow me. Just follow me. So this 8 treatment combination, now I am assigning this treatment combination into two blocks. AB, here will be another treatment combination, that is factor C. Factor C is there. Then AB, AC, BC. AC, BC, then ABC, then block. Okay. These are the that is, you see, A, one means all at lower level. So it will be minus. A means only A at higher level, B and C are lower level. B means A at lower level, B at higher level, C at lower level. AB means A at higher level, B at higher level, C at lower level. Next, AB. Next, CAC. Next, I am writing C. When it comes C, that means C at higher level, these two are at lower level. But here I means identity, all are positive I am taking. Try to understand. Here I am writing C, so only C at higher level and B and A are lower level. Then comes AC. For AC, that means in AC, A at higher level, C at higher level and B at lower level. When it comes BC, then BC means B at higher level, B, this is plus, B at higher level, C at higher level and A at negative. This is negative. Okay. Negative. Next, ABC. Last one. ABC. All are at higher level. All higher level. Okay. Now you can find this. Okay. Now tell me. AB means this into this. This is plus. AB, this into this minus, this into this minus, this into this plus, this into this plus, this into this minus, this into this minus, this into this plus. You have to see whether there are 8 treatment combinations, there will be 4 plus and 4 minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is AB. This is AB. This is AB. Okay? Right. Okay. Now AC. That means this into this. You can write here. This into this. That is AC is plus here. Tell me. AC. This into this. It is minus. AC. That is this into this. This is plus. Then this into this minus, this into this minus, this into this plus, this into this minus, this into this is plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal number of positive and equal number of negative. AC, yes. AB, AC. AB, AC. Plus, minus, plus, minus, minus. Then plus, minus, plus. Okay. Now BC. Plus, BC. Then minus, plus, minus, 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 plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, then this into this plus, this is always plus. So plus plus, 4 minus, then plus plus. Now ABC, right? ABC, that means this into this into this. Where go? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay? Then minus 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 plus. Then minus 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 plus minus 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 again plus. Then this into this plus plus minus, then minus. Then minus minus plus plus minus minus plus. Minus minus plus 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 plus. Okay. Then plus minus 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 plus minus. Okay. Then this into this minus, this with plus, that is minus. All are positive here. All are positive. So this is ABC. Now this is 1. What I told in the previous case, when there is 1, you have to keep 1 at block 1. So I'm substituting, that is I am keeping 1 in block 1. That is negative. When it is negative, it comes block 1. When it comes positive, then come block 2. This is block 2, this is block 1, this is block 2, block 1, and this is block 2. Okay. So all negatives in ABC, are going to block 1, and all positive are going to block 2. That means we are assigning all negatives in ABC goes into block 1, and all positive in ABC going to block 2. That means this is block 1, this is block 1, this is block 1, this is block 1. That means if we arrange this, that is, this is block 1, and this is block 2. Block 1, how many? 1 first, then AB, then AC, then BC. And block 2, that means A, this goes A, this is B, then this is C, then ABC. So these are 2 blocks which I am assigning. I have assigned 8 treatment combination into 2 blocks, that is each block having 4 treatment combination. Total was 8. Total treatment TC equal to 8. Each at 4 plus 4, that comes 8. This is how we assign 8 treatment combination into 2 blocks, block 1 and block 2, using which table? Sign table. Using sign table. So now what is the principal block? What I told? This is the principal block. This is known as principal block. Why principal block? Because 1 is there. If the treatment combination 1 contained in which block, that block is known as principal block. Now the question is, suppose I am taking here A has minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So you can ask me, suppose I can interchange, suppose this sign comes here and this sign comes here, or this sign comes, just interchanging the sign. That means all 4 negatives I am taking here, then 4 positive here, then 2 negative here, 2 positive, 2 negative, 2 positive, then negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Then you will get the same treatment combination in block 1 and block 2. That means it never changed the treatment combination. That means suppose AB in block 1, you will see these 4 treatment combination in block 1 in that case also, and this treatment combination in block 2 also, when you are interchanging the sign of the factor ABC. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So now other important thing I am telling here. So you can identify that what I am telling, this is very important thing I am telling, that comes, that is, in suppose any multiplication of any two of any two treatment combination in block 1, then the resultant becomes in block 1. So you have to maintain a formula, like what formula? Like if suppose AB, there is a element, you see, there are AB, AC, BC. Suppose AB is there, AB, then AB multiplied with AC, that comes A square BC. So if there is square term is there, then you have to put it is 1. So it comes 1 into BC, that is BC. If any of this level, that is A square, B square or C square, then square term is there, then you put it is 1. This is the rule. Suppose there is A cube can be written as A square into A. So it comes, this is 1, so it is A, like this, okay. So that you see, when I am multiplying these two, then the answer is BC, so BC in block 1 also. Suppose AB into BC, then it comes AB square C, so that means AC. So AC belongs to block 1. That means what I am saying here, if any two treatment combination of block 1, if we multiply and apply a square, there is a square term is equal to 1, then it will come in block 1 also. Okay, not this thing will not happen in block 2 also. In block 2, when any two, another thing, that means you can understand, you can understand that your arrangement of treatment combination into block was right. Okay, now another thing I can say, suppose block 1 element is 1, AB, AC and BC. This is block 1. Suppose in block 2, this is block 1. Try to understand. Block 1. This is block 1. Now, suppose in block 2, one element you understand. You know one element. Suppose one element is A. Then you can write the block 2 element, that is A into 1, that comes A. A into this, that is A square B, that means A into AB, that comes A square B, that is B. So it will come B. This is block 2 element I am writing. What I mean to say, so only one element, suppose you are you know only one element of block 2, that like A, then A multiplied with all these elements, then the result becomes in block 2 element. Now A multiplied with AC, A into AC, it comes, that is A square C, that means it will be C. Then A multiplied with BC, A into BC, that is ABC. You see, ABC you are getting, that is ABC.